Hello lovely human beings, it's Loretta with Sparrowhawker Designs. Welcome back to my channel. So I have finished the slow stitch piece. This ended up being 18 inches by 28 inches long, so 18 wide, 28 long. And I've done a couple of videos where I was working on this, but I thought I would come on and show it to you finished. So I think this whole bottom part here you guys did not see before. So I made the six-pointed star and another house block, and on the far right here, those are hexes that I did just like a little flower across two blocks. This is one of my designs on here. This is from an old pillowcase. There's stitching all behind here, and there's some trim here with stitching and some yo-yos. Yeah, and then at the very end, you can see this really old trim here from like the 1920s. I just thought that was so cool. And it kind of helps to balance the block, or to balance the whole piece. Now, this is kind of like, I'm going to use this as a wall hanging. You could use this as a wall hanging or something to hang on a door, like a door into a nursery or something like that. And you could even use it, I would not obviously use it for a baby while the baby's there, because there's too many things on here they could get off and choke on. But if you wanted to put a border on it, as you can see there's no border on it. If you wanted to put a border on it, you could even use it as just sort of like a crib decoration, you know, like put it in the crib, but obviously not use it for the baby or use it while the baby's in the crib. But you know, even something like that, and it doesn't even have to be for a baby. I'm just going to use it as a wall hanging in my, I don't know, I might put it in my bathroom actually. but yeah, you could put it wherever you wanted. So I have made up kits for this, and so if you purchase the kit specifically for this, you will get a link to a video that will tell you how to sew the blocks together. If you wanted to piece it like a regular quilt, in the kit you're going to get, so normally how my slow stitch kits work is that I just give you coordinating fabrics and circles and hexes and trims and that kind of thing, and then you just make what you want. But for this one, I have actually made a kit specifically for this wall hanging. So you will get all the fabric pre-cut for these specific blocks, and you'll even get this pre-made pinwheel, the pink one and the blue one right there. You're going to get the pre-made fan right here, and also in the kit there's going to be paper hexes. You can make your own. I'm not pre-cutting fabrics for that. You can make your own hexes, but I am going to give you the pre-cut paper, and you will get like some of the pre-cut circles to make yo-yos, and a few trims and some buttons, and then the instructions. So, and okay, so here, like, here's your instructions. And then here's the pattern. Yeah. And then you will also get, I think there's 9 of them. 9 of my designs. So there's the house, and like there's that thing. And so forth and so on. Here's another house. And I just wanted to say that if you decide to make this, you don't have to do all of this. Like, this is a French knot, you know, you don't have to do all of this embellishment here. When you trace this onto your fabric, you could just do the house. You don't have to do any of the vine and the flowers and stuff like that. This is yours. You do what you want with it. And that's kind of the point. I have not included all of the embellishments because I just can't. A lot of this was vintage, and I don't have enough for kits. And but you know, that's where you get to run with it and make it yours, because you don't want it to be exactly like mine. I don't know, maybe you do, but but you can make this your own, and yeah. So anyway, so this was a ton of fun to make. Ton of fun to make. I'm not really sure what you guys are going to get from me next. I am participating in another swap. It's a slow, I don't know if it's really a slow stitch swap, but it's definitely an embroidery quilt block swap with Susanna Easdale again. And I think Jeanette is returning from my Cottage Crafts, and then the other 3 are new people. So so that'll be fun, and it'll work just like the last one did, where we just do one a month. You know, we send it to whoever. So I do have that coming up, and yeah. Otherwise, it's almost Christmas, so I have a ton of Christmas stuff to make, as usual. And there you go. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along, watching this come together. It was, like I said, a ton of fun to do, and I appreciate all of you and all of your support. If you find value on my channel at all, like if you learn anything or you just get inspiration, please consider subscribing and some sort of interaction with the channel. You don't have to like the video. You can dislike the video. YouTube doesn't care. They still consider it interaction on your channel. So I always imagine all these people pushing the dislike button thinking that they're hurting you, and they're not. So, but yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and share the video too, because I have recently learned that the algorithm on YouTube, after the first couple of days that you post your video, unless your video gets a lot of interaction, they kind of just, don't really think to put it in the algorithm unless somebody's searching for something specific. So yeah, so sharing the video and liking or subscribing or commenting always helps the channel. I am pretty darn close to reaching 4,000 subscribers, which is blowing my mind that there's that many people who care what I am making or doing. So I appreciate you all, and I thank you all very much, and I will try to come up with something to do a giveaway as soon as I reach that 4,000. So anyway, everybody, if you're in the US and you celebrate Thanksgiving, I hope you have a nice Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you later. This kit and pattern is available in my Etsy store. So, all right. Bye, everybody.